Back with the battle of the skin tints. There we go. A little bit too much on that side. The CeraVe tinted sunscreen versus the e.l.f. Whoa Glow. I have compared these two before, but I had a lighter shade of the e.l.f. Whoa Glow, so I bought a darker shade because you guys said that there were darker shades. So, exact same price. Make sure you get them at Target because they're like $2 cheaper than buying them at Ulta. Both 30 SPF, both about $14. These are basically same amount for the same price. We're gonna try the e.l.f. side first. Okay. Definitely more of like a bronzy glow. Definitely a little bit darker. But I think with a good blend here, the way it blends isn't like my absolute favorite, but there's the e.l.f. side. So we're gonna go in with the CeraVe. Obviously the CeraVe one is lighter, so it might just look better with my skin. It does look very natural though, and I feel like it has a little bit more of a glow than the e.l.f. one. Okay, CeraVe side, e.l.f. side. Oh, they look pretty similar. What side do we think? What other skin tints do I still need to try out?